Dundalk Avenue water pipe explosion. Gushing and flooding people's houses.
That's trying to go
Sources right here.
Man, this is crazy. Yeah, you'll see it
shut
on the
the
news
parking
tonight.
lot out.
Like every
whole
news
parking lot's
station's
flooded.
And there's like 5 helicopters in the air right now.
They can't figure out
Right down
how
there,
it
like,
started or how it shut it off.
Actually, like 2 blocks. Right down at that
That cop won't let anyone in the parking lot.
You know where that shopping center is?
People are taking mad pictures. It's just crazy.
Yeah.
Everyone's houses are getting flooded. Turner Station is underwater.
Well, it ain't going up that far. It hasn't come up our street. It's all going down like Turner Station and towards the
I wonder what water is actually like. There's a million newscasts down here.
That's what somebody else says.
All these people.
It's bad. It's like right there where you...
All curious neighbors.
What a world.
That lady's getting yelled at. She can't get to her car. We won't let anyone buy the parking lot.
That's funny.
We were gonna go boogie boarding in the water. There's another cop. Look, there's somebody walking in the water, Quinn.
That's one of them work crew dudes.
Oh.
There's somebody over there trading to it. They got boats down here.
Yo, get out of my shot.
It's funny.
Uh-oh, that dude's trying to sneak over to the parking lot.
Alright, dude. I see. Yeah. I'm excited too.
Just crazy.
It
looks like it's getting faster and faster.
They don't even know where. Okay. Alright.
People can't even figure out how to get it on the stop.
Yeah.
All them people up there, they don't know what the hell is wrong. People are sneaking over there. People are sneaking over there. Shit.
That's funny.
They're gonna get arrested if they don't come back over here.
That's crazy. I can't wait till Monday morning.
See this fire truck.
I'll see you.
See you, bud.
Take it easy, bud. Ryan didn't even know this was going on.
Really? I'm recording.